So we're going to do a few quick examples, no frills, of how to rearrange equations and make x the subject. So here we have 3x on the right hand side, so we want just x on its own on one side or the other. So the easiest way to get x on its own is to get 3x on its own, so we're going to move the 3 to the other side, so it becomes y take away 3, because when you change the side you change the sign. Y minus 3 equals 3x. Now we've got 3 lots of our answer, but we want 1 lot, so we divide both sides by 3. So the 3 does a swap and drop underneath, leaving x equals y minus 3 all over 3. So we have 5y plus 5x equals 6. So get the x term on its own, we'll move the 5y to the other side. So 5x is equal to 6, take away 5y, but we only want 1 lot of x, so the 5 does a swap and drop. Divide both sides by 5, we have x equals 6 minus 5y all over 5. Next we have y equals 3x plus 7 over 6. So the whole right hand side is divided by 6, so we may as well multiply both sides by 6. So the 6 does a slide and rise, and it becomes 6y equals 3x plus 7. So we need to get rid of this 7, move it to the other side. So we have 6y minus 7 equals 3x. Then divide both sides by 3, or the 3 does a swap and drop, and it becomes x is equal to 6y minus 7 over 3. Doesn't matter which side you put the variables on. Next we have y equals x plus 4 cubed. So to get rid of this cubed, we need to take the cubed root of both sides. So the cubed root of y is equal to the cubed root of the right hand side, which must be equal to x plus 4. Now we subtract 4 from both sides, or the 4 moves over and becomes minus 4. We end up with the cubed root of y minus 4 equals x. Number 5, we have y equals the square root of x minus 8 over 8. Well, the right hand side is divided by 8, so slide and rise the 8. It becomes 8y is the square root of x minus 8. So we'll square both sides. So 8y squared is 8y times 8y, which is 64y squared. And the root of x minus 8 squared is x minus 8. Move the 8 to the other side, and we end up with 64y squared plus 8 equals x. Next we have the cubed root of x minus 4y is equal to 2. So the clue is we need to cube both sides to get rid of this cubed root. If we cube the left hand side, we get x minus 4y, and cube the other side, 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. So now move the minus 4y to the other side.